I love chili. Chilli sambal is a staple in our house. Today, we're going to be making 3 Indonesian chili sambal recipes. We need tomatoes, shallots, garlic, and chili to your taste. Slice one of the shallots, then put the rest of the ingredients into a food processor. Using about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, fry the sliced shallots until golden brown, then add the chili mixture from the food processor with a pinch of salt into the pan. Cook through until the liquid evaporates. The shallot and garlic chili sambal is perfect for eating with rice or pasta. Next, we're going to be making a garlic chili sambal recipe. This recipe is perfect for eating with soups or broth. Put in all the ingredients with a pinch of salt to a food processor, then fry with some olive oil until all the liquid from the sauce evaporates. The last recipe for today is a lemongrass and lime leaves chili sambal recipe. I love this one as it's so fragrant and perfect for seafood dishes. Slice some Kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, and some shallots. Into a food processor, grind the chili, tomatoes, and garlic. Fry all the sliced ingredients for a minute or 2. Add the ground chili mixture from the food processor with a pinch of salt and cook through. Now we have 3 Indonesian chili sambal recipes to share with you. Hope you enjoy it! Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe.